Welcome to Adisattva, a channel where curiosity meets wisdom. Join us as we explore the world through the inquisitive eyes of Medha, a child who seeks knowledge by asking questions to her grandparents. She asks, "Grandpa, what's a Vedi that Grandma was telling you about?" inquired Medha. Grandpa responded, "A Vedi, my dear, is a crucial component in Sanatan practices, particularly for performing havans. Let me think about this, how best I can explain this to you," Grandpa said thoughtfully. Grandpa asks Grandma how to explain Vedi to Medha. Grandma suggests using the Sulba Sutra for understanding the Vedi's construction and also explain her the Bhuja Koti Karani Nyaya, which we now know as Pythagoras' theorem. Grandpa then takes Medha to his computer. Some of the examples are Kurma, Vritta, Shayana, and Chaturasara. Let's consider Triagni as an example, incorporating three different distinct shapes: square, circle, and semicircle. The requirement is that the areas of these three different shapes must be identical. This was achieved by Sulba Sutras. Sulba means rope, Sutra means principles. This marked the dawn of mathematics in human civilization, at least 2800 years ago, with Baudhayana leading the way on this mathematical journey. They devised a simple method using a rope and a pole. Let's place an upright pole onto the ground at point O. Draw a circle using a 1 meter rope on the ground using this pole as a guide. This pole at O will cast a shadow in the morning and intersect the circle at, let's say, W, and in the afternoon shadow will cross the circle at, let's say, E. Join these points to get east-west line. Now take a lengthy rope and fasten one end to the pole at E and the other end at W. Locate the midpoint of the rope and create a mark on the ground at S at the lower part of the picture. This will be south. Do the same on the upper side of the picture to get north. Join this line as north-south line. You can see that our ancestors, armed with only basic tools, determined directions. This technique, employing ropes to address intricate geometric challenges, is known as Sulba Sutras. Between 800 and 400 BCE, several revered mathematicians built upon and perfected the foundational work initiated by Baudhayana in the field of Sulba Sutras. These subsequent scholars expanded the knowledge and understanding of geometric and mathematical principles. Each mathematician brought unique insights and refinements to the existing body of knowledge, contributing to the richness of ancient Indian mathematical advancements during this period. Baudhayana provided a method for the conversion of a circle into a square and vice versa in his Sulba Sutras. Now let us discuss Bhuja Koti Karni Nyay. This idea explains that if you square the longest side of a right-angled triangle, it's equal to adding the squares of the other two sides. Baudhayana captured this concept in a verse, which we now recognize as a Pythagoras theorem. Over time, this wealth of knowledge was employed in the construction of remarkable temples and advancements in astronomy. The figure being drawn is the Kailasa temple in Ellora, which is the largest monolithic stone structure in the world. Pythagoras, the ancient Greek mathematician, embarked on a transformative journey that led him from Greece to the Arab world and eventually to India. His questions were unanswered in Greece and Arabia, and he was asked to visit India and learn from Indian mathematicians. Intrigued by the diverse philosophies and knowledge systems, he immersed himself in the richness of Indian wisdom. During his stay in India, Pythagoras adopted a vegetarian lifestyle, influenced by the principles of ahimsa and harmony with the nature. Inspired by the Gurukul system of education, he founded a school in southern Italy that emphasized not only mathematical and scientific principles but also holistic learning and ethical values. Grandpa, that was an incredible story, and I am amazed at how wise our ancestors were, exclaimed Medha. Grandpa responded, Indeed, Medha, much of this wisdom is owed to our ancient Gurukul system. Medha then asked, Where did the Gurukuls go, Grandpa, and why don't we have them today? Medha, the Gurukul system was a unique way of education in ancient India. Students lived with their gurus in a close-knit environment, learning not just academic subjects but also life skills. I will tell you many more stories like this, Medha. On hearing this, Medha started dancing. Thank you for joining us on this historical mathematical journey. If you liked this video, please share it with family and friends. That would encourage us immensely and keep us going longer. Thank you very much.